Have a pleasant day, children. Let me start our today's session with our topic patterns. Inside these patterns, today we will learn about the magic squares. Create magic square by using multiples of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Here one magic square is given. Let me see about it. 20, 90, 40 are in a first row, 70, 50, 30 are in a second row, 60, 10, 80 are in a third row. While we are adding the second row, 70 plus 50, that is equal to 120. 120 plus 30, which is equal to 150. Likewise, we want to add each column and each row. Sum of the numbers in the first row, that is 20 plus 90, 110. 110 plus 40, which is equal to 150. So, while we are adding each row and each column, their sum will be equal to 150. While we are adding diagonal also, we can get the number 150. That's why it is called a magic square. The next one, patterns in geometry. Able to identify symmetry in geometrical patterns. Symmetry. The figures which can be divided into two parts of equal shape and size are called symmetrical figures. Here one shape is given. While we are drawing the another half of this shape, we can get the shape like this. So, the symmetrical line which divides this figure into equal shape and equal size. See the example 2, the English alphabet A is having one symmetrical line. This one symmetrical line divides the letter A into equal shape and equal size. Next, we will go through the exercise problem. Draw symmetrical lines for the following shapes. First one, square. A square has 4 lines of symmetry. 1, 2. Here, while taking the first line of symmetry, it divides the square into 2 equal parts. And then second line of symmetry divides the square into 4 equal parts. And then third line, after that fourth line. Therefore, 4 lines of symmetry divides the square into 8 equal parts of equal size. So, a square has 4 lines of symmetry. The next one, rectangle. The first line of symmetry divides the rectangle into 2 equal parts, and the second line divides the rectangle into 4 equal parts and equal size. So the rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. And this is a triangle. It has 3 lines of symmetry. It is an equilateral triangle. It has 1, 2, 3 lines of symmetry. These 3 lines of symmetry divides the triangle into equal shape and equal size of 6 parts. Thank you, children.